guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. We're going to be talking about this glueless wig. Now, this glueless wig is a bit different than any of the other glueless wigs that I've tried in the past. I'm going to explain why, but before that, let's jump into all the details about this unit. Today's hair sponsor is Labhairs. This will be my third collaboration with them. I love their hair. I've loved all of the wigs that I've received from them so far. So I'm super excited to try their new wig, 20-inch body wave wig, HD lace, 5x5 closure wig. But this is a new style of glueless wigs, you guys. It is made totally different. Before we jump into like the install portion of the video, I want to show you guys a short little clip of the difference between the two styles. As you can see, this wig is constructed out of like a dome cap lace, and like usually you get this type of lace. Now the difference between the two is how it fits the head. So this is your traditional lace that you get, like a glueless lace. This is what it traditionally looks like. We do have a new style of lace that we're going to be trying out. And this is the new glueless lace. If this cap looks familiar, it's probably giving you dome cap vibes. That's what it's giving me. This cap fits all the way around the perimeter, the crown area. It's very secured. This one contours to the head. I'm gonna put on the other one more time so you guys can see, but it is just very fitted everywhere. So here it's gonna lay flat, so we won't actually have to use any glue. And now we're gonna put on the other one. I mean, it's not too bad, but as you can see, like there is some like crinkling here. It's just not as fitted as the other wig. So you can see it's kind of loose here as well. So this cap is definitely different. It is like a dome cap, like if you machine sewed your wig yourself, like that's what it's giving me. I've yet to try a pre-made cap that is in this style. So this is their new version of glueless wig. I believe they think it's better. We'll see. I'll be the judge of that. There's no way you need any glue. I'm just trying to get that little piece of lace there out of the way. So we're not going to be doing any glue for this install. So what I will be doing is try to hide that little area there. My camera not straight. There we go. There's this hairpin dye thing. I'm gonna go put that right here and see if that, okay. So I'm gonna go in with some hairspray. Remember, I'm not securing this unit, you guys, so I'm not putting hairspray to like hold the lace down. I'm just putting hairspray just to style this top part. Oh yeah, I definitely burnt myself. Would it be a caviar install without me burning myself? I think what I've noticed about glueless wigs, and I'm gonna just finesse the system, is I've noticed that this part, when girls wear glueless wigs, it gives it away because the lace is lighter. So what we're gonna do is actually put some foundation to cover that part, because we're not putting any glue there, but we don't want that lace to look lighter. So that's what we're doing right now. Do you guys see the difference? I hope you guys can see the difference between this side and that side. Okay, so we're just gonna like put some curls in there, nothing too crazy. I usually like curling my wigs after I've washed them. But let's see what happens here. Oh, that took really nice to the curling one. You guys, this wig is curling so nicely, so quick. That's how you know it's good hair. If you can curl the wig fresh out of the box and like a body wave wig, and it curls like on your first try, it's good hair. When the hair is a bit more resistant to the curl, or you need to wash it, it's not going to be as good of quality hair. That's just something I've learned over the years. I'm gonna do this side on camera, and then I'm gonna do the other side off camera. Look at that, you guys. Look at those curls. You can style this wig start to finish in under 20 minutes. Like, and I mean curl the wig too. It's just really nice hair, you guys. And she's on there, like she's not going anywhere. If the wind hits, it's not going anywhere. You see that? In just a few minutes, we have fully styled wig, glueless, baby. There we have it, you guys. Look at that. So as you saw in the install portion, this was a really straightforward install. It was a glueless wig. I knew I wanted to do it 100% glueless, and as you guys can see, there is no glue on this unit whatsoever. We have it totally glueless, but this glueless wig is different from all the others because of their new technology. I don't know if it's a new technology, but it's made on like a dome cap. You guys know back in the day when you made your own wigs, you would make it on this dome cap, but the reason why they're making it on this dome cap is because it actually is more of a glueless wig compared to, you know, this style of glueless wig. As you guys can see, this lace is very flat to my scalp. It's really not going anywhere, and I really like that about this unit because yeah, it truly is glueless. Like, it actually feels like I have it secured with like hairspray. I wouldn't feel worried about leaving the house in this unit all day because I really do feel like it's secured on there like 100%. I think more companies are gonna start doing this from now on. They might be ahead of the game, and you guys know I'm like the guinea pig for things. So when a company creates like a new style of wig or like new technology, they tend to like give it to me first and before a lot of the other hair reviewers. So I test it out, I let you guys know my true opinion, and I think it also gives them, you know, honest feedback. But I actually really like this style of glueless wig. I would actually prefer it over some of the other glueless wigs. So bring back the dome caps, I'm all for it, you guys. It actually is very, very secured. Now let's move on from there because we know the glueless wig is great, but let's talk about the hair. So the density 150%, I would say it is really good for 150%. There are some spots back here where I'm feeling like it's a little bit on the thin side. It could use a little bit more hair, but it's really not that bad. Once you brush the hair back, you don't actually feel tracks, but it does feel a bit thinner on the back there. So besides that, the density throughout is very full. As you guys can see, it doesn't look thin at all. We did do a fresh out of the box install. The hair took so well to my curling wand. I've been combing through this hair since I put it on, and the curls are holding, and I didn't put any product in it. It took really well. Like, the hair itself is beautiful. It is definitely top quality hair. Like, look at that. Recurled that piece right there. There's no effort for curling this wig. If you are a beginner, you guys, or you just have a busy lifestyle where you don't have a lot of time to style a wig, get this wig. If you are a busy mom or you got a 9-to-5, whatever you got to do to get out of the door quickly, this is that wig, because you don't have to secure her. It doesn't take a long time to style it. You don't need a lot of products. Therefore, you don't have to wash the wig as often because you're not weighing it down with a bunch of products, because the wig holds a nice curl. I was literally combing through it like this. I was pulling on it to take pictures and it still held a curl. So I'm actually really impressed. This is your low maintenance body wave wig. If you've been searching for something like this, you guys, I'm super happy to bring it to you. I love this wig so much, you guys. I'm gonna give it 5 stars. It is definitely Kaviar Kez approved. Super beautiful, so soft. My hands are running through it like butter, baby. You guys need to pick up one of these. You need to run over there to the website and check them out. I do have a coupon code. It's going to be in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. If you made it this far into the video, I really do appreciate it, and you are the MVP of the day, girl. Let me know your thoughts, guys. I'll catch you guys soon in another video. Bye.